Welcome to HNTV Baguio, our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. Buti ka pa green thumb. Ako kasi brown or black thumb. Kasi hindi hilig ng mga halaman sa akin. Lagi kong naririnig ang mga yon. Pero I admit, I have killed my plants. Many plants already. It's not only 1, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for the end time. But it was not on purpose. In Ilocano, haan ko nga in gagara. It is because of overcare. Yes, overcare. And eventually, namatay yung mga halaman. Natay dagijay mula because I overcare. I overlove. However, I tried again and again in Padas Kumanen. I never gave up. After a lot of trial and error, I learned a lot and now I continue growing plants and will always learn and continue growing plants. I have tips here for you to turn brown thumb to green thumb. First one, before you buy or if you have a new plant, research. Ask, what are the soil preferences, watering, and lighting of the plant that you buy? Second one, soil. If you say, my plant died because I have a black thumb, natay je mulak kaput a black thumb back or no brown thumb back. It's not you. It's not you. Actually, it's about the soil. Most plants recommend a soil draining mix. Number 3, watering. If you have come across an advice that you only water your plant when the soil is dry, when you touch the topsoil, what if the soil under is moist? If you are not sure of it, better yet, water your plants once a week. Scheduling watering is also good, but it will always depend on the weather and location of your plants and the amount of light your plants receive. So you have to observe. But take note, overwatering is the number one killer of plants. For you to avoid saggy soil, let's go back to the soil composition that it should be a soil draining mix. And then, number 4, choose the common plants, the ones that are easy to grow. And then eventually, you will learn what plants that are easy for you to grow. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, kung nakasanayan mo na yung halaman, yun ang alagaan mo. No Ilocano kuma, kaimaam. No kaimaam ti succulents and then go ahead. No kaimaam iti spider plant, hindi iso ti paaduom. No kaimaam iti monstera, well and good. And then, you start from there to propagate it. And then, one plant have a lot of varieties. For example, spider plant. So, kuno kaimaam di kung gamay mo na yung spider plants, yun, doon na ang magsisimula ng collection mo. So, you collect the different types of it, the different colors of it. And then later on, add new plants too. Because usually, iisa lang naman ang kailangan nila. Do not overwater, good soil composition, and lighting. Number 5, lighting. So, hindi porke sinabi na houseplant, ilagay mo lang sa loob ng bahay. So, the location also should be considered. The location of your plant should be considered. Know the plants that require shade, filtered sun, full sun, bright light but shaded, and no light or low light. Number 6, for the vegetables, alamin mo kung ano yung mga plants or vegetables for the season. Kung ano ang dapat na itatanim from January to March, March to May, and then the rainy season, June to August or September. At ano din yung mga from September to December na mga plants. Okay? And then alamin mo din kung ano yung plants or vegetables all year round. Okay. Number 7, fertilizers, organic matter. Ang lagi nating iisipin, kung healthy yung soil natin, the plants will grow healthier too. For the house plants, there are liquid fertilizers. But if you mix with the liquid fertilizers, pag mix mo yung water, kailangan double dose yung water para hindi masunog yung mga halaman. Okay, para sigurado, ang gagamitin ninyo yung slow release fertilizers, the Osmocote for example, para siguradong hindi masusunog yung mga halaman natin. Okay po? So, top 7 lang ito na tips na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Marami pa iba dyan as you go along. And then, happy gardening mga kahardin. Thank you for watching HNTV Baguio. No, kabasan muan.